just pulling into Robertson Homes, just about to present 2 new schemes for Jackton, so hopefully they really like them. We have a New York inspired industrial scheme with lots of natural finishes, linens, furs, textures, natural woods. The whole thing came from Sharon's holiday in New York. Which proves to me that we should all go on holiday much more often to find inspiration.
John is presenting 2 show homes today, which is Jackton, Mitchell and Hutton. So at the end we're going to go through the presentation and then we're going to select the carpets for both show homes.
Is this the great reveal?
The big reveal. And actually for a show home, a real departure from having, not that we'd ever do like mirror walls and black ceilings and crystally lights or anything, but actually something that's probably really a lot more relevant to people and a lot more homely and like a sort of like a modern take on country, I guess.
I think we kind of related it to a ski lodge, didn't we, when we talked about it, like a kind of ski lodge type feel.
Yeah. All of this sort of looks so big rustic tables. We wanted it to be
that's different.
Like this sort of look on the table, so like just everyone piling over for a dinner table. For
lovely, isn't it?
Like
So
leather.
if you've got a glass of wine, it'll fall.
But it is exactly. But the sheer in the garden room's this. So it's really
that's gorgeous.
Oh, that's nice.
And I love the wallpaper.
I think that's it. Where the other one's really
So look at this.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Well, that's it. Some really new things, and then the sheer.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
I love that.
I like that.
Texas,
There you go, John. See, you got the result you wanted. Inspiration from New York.
Wow.
Just to let you see, that was exactly what I wanted, and this is what John's done. So it's like a big long table where you don't just eat, you work at it. You've got maybe your computer here, you've got plants here, you've got your kids colouring in at this end. It's a working table where everybody uses it for all different things. And the textures so you see the fur, you see the concrete stools. But we're in discussion with John, what we decided was, let's not make it really beat up, let's make it look as if it's casual, really good quality, but not really crazy beat up.
Yeah. And then above we've got these B&B Italia or Moi string ball lights, and they're really oversized, just like a great big string ball with a hole in, so you can get your hand in and change the bulb. And we've got 3 of those, so we've got
different sizes.
Yeah, so we'll have a large and then a medium and then a small up there. So
can you imagine like a first rows over your benches and stuff? So we're going to put a bifold door in here, and you imagine opening that out and having so the tiles that are in here will continue all the way out here. And you'll feel as though that's all part of your house. It'll be amazing.
So I'm probably going to say it wrong. The olive.
Yeah, that's an olive tree.
Yeah, on little olive trees. Knows nothing about trees. He says to camera.
If that can come to life, I'll be absolutely
sold.
I am.
Just presented 2 schemes, so something really different, and they've got that really well.